In this video, I'll show you how to check your Discord username. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, for you to be able to check your Discord username, what you're going to do right now, you're going to click on your profile, right? So, the second name under the first name, right, is what's your username here on Discord, right? So, this is basically your username. Sorry, this is your username. Wait for it to open. This is what is your username right here on Discord. So the second name on your Discord bio or your Discord profile is what's your username. So if you find this very helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next